Imagine a future where your body ages more slowly, where work as we know it disappears, and where intelligent robots become part of everyday life. Welcome to the Keynote HyperIntelligence, an experience that not only surprises but transforms your view of life, health, the economy, relationships, and much more. Within the next 10 years, artificial intelligence and robotics will fundamentally reshape the world. Nothing will remain untouched. The labor market will change, healthcare and life expectancy will shift dramatically, and relationships and social structures will be reimagined. Yes, the future could even change the very meaning of life. In this talk, we take you on a journey from the origins of intelligence to the explosive developments we are witnessing today. Developments where hybrid intelligence, the fusion of human and artificial intelligence, will influence nearly every aspect of life. We ask the questions everyone will soon have to consider. Are we heading toward a world where AI and robots surpass human intelligence by orders of magnitude? Do we even need traditional work anymore? Can technology rejuvenate our bodies? And are we on the verge of a new era of nearly infinite cheap energy? This is not just inspiration. It's strategic knowledge you can act on today. Because those who understand the future first will have a competitive edge. When you know what's coming, you can make better decisions. Choose the right strategies, position yourself wisely, and ensure that you and your organization lead rather than follow. The presentation draws on insights from the Supertrends platform, an AI-powered engine that scans thousands of sources daily, gathers data and forecasts from over 160 experts, and delivers qualified perspectives on what's next. That means you receive cutting-edge insights, always updated, always relevant. The talk can be tailored to your industry. For instance, in media and advertising, we show how AI creates content in real time, personalizes entertainment, and disrupts entire business models. In construction and engineering, we explore how AI reduces building costs and how smart, sustainable buildings are becoming the investments of the future. In education, we dive into how learning becomes personalized, led by AI tutors and adaptive curriculums, and what that means for schools and society. And in the labor market, we examine how hybrid intelligence is redefining jobs and creating new competitive parameters. Who will thrive and who may disappear? We also offer dedicated talks on health and longevity, on regulation and ethics, and on the sweeping changes coming to relationships, family life, and social structures. If you want to future-proof your business or your own career for what's just around the corner, Daniel Kafer's talk on hybrid intelligence isn't just relevant, it's essential. This isn't just a keynote. It can also be delivered as a workshop where we develop a concrete 5-year strategy together, tailored to your industry, your challenges, and your opportunities. Sounds interesting? Then let's talk. Together, we'll find out how to create maximum value for you, your organization, or your clients.